Easy. Easy. Instagram. I don't even use Instagram. Okay. Ready? Come on! Are you kidding me? Oh. Shit. I think I chose Instagram. Sorry, I can explain. I thought I chose. I didn't. Listen. That looks like a pizza. Listen. So, you guys might be able to see the word guess this, right? But when I was drawing, I have to scroll down so I can see the color box on the bottom. So I can't see the top. So I couldn't see the guess this Instagram one. I thought I chose the coffee maker. Okay? Okay? Fine, I'll continue. I can explain. Zeta, focus. I'm focusing. I can explain. I promise I can explain.